Hazrat Saad bin Abi Waqas radiyallahu anhu said to Hazrat Amir bin Saad, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam visited me while I was ill in Makkah Mukarramah. I submitted, I have got abundant of wealth. Should I will all of my property? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no. I submitted, half. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, no. I again submitted, 1/3. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, will 1/3, but even 1/3 is also exorbitant. It is better for you to leave your heirs affluent than to leave them pauper begging from the people. And whatsoever you expend on them will be taken as almsgiving on your behalf. And even a morsel you put in your wife's mouth is also almsgiving. And perhaps Allah Jalla Jalaluhu may restore you to health, so that many a man may get benefit from you, and many a man non-Muslims may be harmed by you. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5354.